Today, we want to talk about a couple of things. First, where are we right now with the Delta variant? We're in this quandary where public health officials have completely taken over the entire spectrum of where our country is going. Now, listen, public health officials, they do have a job. Their primary job is making sure that we are as healthy as we could possibly be. That's their mission, and I do respect them for it. But you see, all Americans, every individual person in our country, we all have our own mission as well. Yes, our mission is to stay healthy, but it's also to make sure that we're earning in our careers, we're raising our families, we're actually enjoying our lives on a day-to-day basis. We engage our friends. We do the things that we typically have done every day we've been alive on this earth. So while public health officials have one mission, we have many different missions, and those two are coming into conflict. You see, if you've been vaccinated, great. If you haven't been vaccinated for whatever the reasons are, it's time that our elected officials and public health officials respect your reason for doing so. Maybe you've already had COVID-19 and you don't want to go get a vaccine. Maybe you're 30 years old and you said, I don't have the vaccine, I've never had COVID, but I've seen 10 of my peers go through it. And they might have had a fever or been home for 5 days and been exhausted, or they just had a head cold and it didn't bother them. You've seen people go through COVID-19 in your own life. But what you really want is to be treated like a free-thinking human being. That's what we all want.